Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings on your iPhone or system settings on your Mac. This begins the family sharing flow. Tap your name, then family sharing, and choose Add Member. This step invites people quickly. Once done, pick the family organizer account that will share the iCloud storage plan. You need a valid payment method attached. Make sure each invited person accepts the invitation. You do this now to enable shared storage allocation in the next steps. Now you buy or assign the shared iCloud plan. Go to iCloud settings and tap Manage Storage, then change storage plan. Pick 200 GB or 2 TB. Those are the options that support sharing, then confirm the purchase with your Apple ID. After the plan is active, toggle Share with Family so everyone can access the quota. Once active, each family member's iCloud will show the shared storage amount. This lets you manage space without moving files manually. Finish by confirming everyone accepted the invite, and that setting shows the shared storage next to their iCloud summary. If someone doesn't see the plan, have them sign out and back into iCloud, then check for the invitation email and accept it again. If payment fails or the organizer's card is declined, update the card in Apple ID settings. Sometimes a simple restart resolves sync delays. If problems persist, contact Apple support for billing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.